A powerboat in a Formula 2 race has an average speed of 165 kilometers per hour. Calculate the distance in kilometers that the boat traveled in a race of 1 2/3 hour. Now, that's what this question wants us to determine, the distance. Now, in order for us to determine the distance, we're going to use our distance, speed, time triangle. And based on this, the distance, we can find the distance if we multiply the speed and the time. And so that's the formula. The distance equals the speed multiplied by time. Now, what is the speed in this case? Well, the speed is definitely 165 kilometers per hour. And what is the time? Well, it's 1 2/3 hours. And so what we have here is we have to multiply these two terms. So we have 1 2/3. Let's convert this into we're gonna convert this mixed fraction or this mixed number into an improper fraction. And so we're gonna say 1 times 3, and we're gonna add that answer to 2. So 1 times 3 is 3, and 3 plus 2 is going to be 5. And so we keep the denominator. So again, the first thing we do is we convert this mixed number into an improper fraction, which is the following. 1 times 3 is going to give us 3, and then we add 2, and that's going to give us 5, and so we have 5/3. And so the next step we're going to do is we're going to take 165 and multiply it by 5, and we're going to take 1 and multiply it by 3. And so 165 multiplied by 3 is definitely going to be 825, and 1 times 3 is definitely 3. And so we have 825 divided by 3. And so that means that the distance is going to be 275. And so that is 275 kilometers. How did we get that? Well, we took 825 and divided by 3. And that's how we got 275 kilometers. And that's the distance in kilometers that the boat traveled in a race of 1 2/3 hours. That's the answer to the question.